Which PDC Sake mask is right for your skin? Let's find out. First, the original PDC Sake face pack. It has a creamy texture and it's super easy to use. Just apply it evenly on your face and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. This mask is packed with sake extract, rice ferment, cucumber, and yuzu seed extract to help brighten dull skin, smooth texture, and tighten pores. It's perfect if you have dry, dull, or rough skin. Also great for those dealing with textured skin, uneven skin tone, or enlarged pores. Next, the PDC Sake Face Pack Glow. This one is also easy to use. Just massage gently onto your skin, rinse off in 1 to 2 minutes. You can leave it on for up to 10 minutes if your skin feels dry. It contains sake leaf extract, galactomyces, rice powder, plant-based scrubs, hyaluronic acid, rice bran oil to gently exfoliate, brighten, and keep the skin moisturized. Best for oily combination or dull skin types. Especially helpful for tired-looking skin, clogged pores, and rough patches that needs gentle polish and glow. Both masks use premium Japanese ingredients to boost radiance and improve texture. Choose the original Sake face pack if your skin feeling dry, rough, or need deep nourishment. Pick the glow version if you want quick fix for dullness, gentle exfoliation, and radiant finish, even on busy days. The good news is you don't need to go to Japan to get this. Both are available at Criskite Beauty online shop.